Welcome to this ClickBaitPays income strategy overview. In this video, we're going to walk through a few simple, real-world examples of how campaign participation and referral activity can work together. The goal is to show the basic structure, the strategy, and the potential income examples in a clear and easy-to-understand way. These examples are for educational purposes only, and results will vary based on participation, consistency, and activity. The process is designed to be simple. First, a member purchases a campaign. Then, they click Ads daily. As the campaign activity runs, revenue is generated, and the member earns daily USDT from their clicks. From there, the member has a choice. They can withdraw profits, or they can repurchase additional campaigns to continue building their income strategy over time. Or do both. The concept is simple. Participate, earn, and decide whether to withdraw and/or purchase new campaigns. The staggered strategy is one of the most important concepts to understand. Instead of only running one campaign at a time, a member can start one campaign in week 1, another campaign in week 2, and another campaign in week 3. Remember, you can have 3 active campaigns running simultaneously per account. By week 4 and beyond, multiple campaigns can start paying at different times. This creates overlapping cycles, which can help produce more consistent rolling income instead of waiting on just one campaign to complete. The purpose of the staggered strategy is to create rhythm, consistency, and momentum. Here is a level 3 example using 3 staggered campaigns. In this scenario, the member adds one new level 3 campaign each week. Once the strategy is fully active, they have 3 campaigns running at different stages. The estimated average monthly ongoing net is 118 USDT. This net example factors that the one-time activation fee has already been handled and that the weekly campaign repurchase is also already factored into the ongoing cycle. At this level, the income may not be life-changing, but it can help with everyday expenses like groceries, utilities, gas, or part of a car payment. Now let's look at a level 5 example. This scenario also uses 3 staggered campaigns, with one new level 5 campaign added each week. Once the cycle is active, the member has 3 campaigns running, and multiple campaigns can begin paying in a rolling pattern. The estimated average monthly ongoing net is 473 USDT. Again, this example assumes the one-time activation fee and weekly campaign repurchase have already been accounted for in the ongoing cycle. At this level, the income starts to become more meaningful and can help significantly with monthly bills. At level 6, the same staggered structure becomes more powerful. The member adds one new level 6 campaign each week, creating 3 active campaigns running in a staggered cycle. As the campaigns begin overlapping, the estimated average monthly ongoing net is 946 USDT. This is where the strategy can begin to feel like serious supplemental income. For many people, that could represent a meaningful contribution toward rent, investments, or a travel budget. The level 7 example shows the higher end of this strategy. With 3 staggered level 7 campaigns, one campaign is added each week. Again, multiple campaigns can begin paying as the cycle develops. The estimated average monthly ongoing net is 2,445 USDT. This is still an illustrative example, not a guarantee, but it shows how campaign size and staggered participation can create much stronger monthly income potential. For someone who is consistent and strategic, this type of example shows why the staggered approach can be incredibly powerful. Could this type of extra income help you purchase assets, help family members, or even retire early? Now let's compare using just one campaign versus building a staggered campaign strategy with 3 campaigns. With only one campaign, the income cycle is limited. Once the campaign completes, the income stops until another campaign is started. With 3 staggered campaigns, the member creates overlapping income cycles. This is how we design our plan to pay us weekly. That means multiple payouts can happen across the month, creating a more consistent rolling cash flow pattern. The strategy is simple: stagger, reinvest, and multiply the timing of your campaigns. Now let's look at referral income by campaign volume. This is important because campaign volume does not always mean more people. For example, 3 campaigns could mean 3 different people, each running 1 campaign. Or it could mean 1 person running 3 campaigns. The table shows estimated monthly referral income across levels 5, 6, and 7 based on campaign volume. If your referrals purchased campaigns at level 5, for example, monthly referral income can range from 259 USDT with 3 campaigns to 1,296 USDT with 15 campaigns. It's important to note, there is no cap to the amount of people you can refer, and therefore no cap to the amount of campaigns you can get paid on. At level 6, the examples range from 518 USDT with 3 campaigns to 2,592 USDT with 15 campaigns. Again, think of it this way. To achieve the 15 campaigns income, it could mean just 5 referrals with 3 campaigns each, or 15 referrals with only 1 campaign each, or any mix in between. At level 7, the monthly referral income examples range from 1,080 USDT with 3 campaigns to 5,400 USDT with 15 campaigns. This shows how referral income can scale when higher-level campaigns are purchased by your referrals and campaign volume increases. The real power is understanding that there are 2 possible income paths. One side is your own campaign income from daily clicks. That comes from your own participation, your staggered strategy, and your rolling campaign cycles. The other side is referral income. That comes from directly helping others get started with purchasing campaigns and completing their own clicks, and you leveraging and scaling referral campaign volume. When both are working together, the model becomes much more dynamic. Simple clicks, smarter participation. The goal isn't just income from clicks or referring someone. It is building momentum 1 click at a time, 1 person at a time, where a simple system meets powerful earning potential. All examples are illustrative only. Results are not guaranteed, and these examples are for educational purposes only. ClickBaitPays. Click into a new era of digital income.